Stay positive and healthy, the power of unity. Introduction. In a world that often feels divided and disconnected, it's easy to forget the transformative power of unity. But the truth is, coming together as a community is not only essential for our well-being, but it also has a profound impact on our mental and physical health. In this video, we'll explore the importance of social connection and how staying positive and healthy can be achieved through unity. It's no secret that humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection and interaction with others. It's ingrained in our DNA, and it's what has allowed us to survive and thrive as a species. But in today's fast-paced digital world, it's becoming increasingly easy to lose touch with this fundamental aspect of our humanity. When we think of unity, we often imagine large-scale movements or global initiatives. But unity starts at an individual level. It begins with recognizing the importance of our relationships and making a conscious effort to nurture them. By fostering positive connections with those around us, we create a ripple effect that can spread far and wide. One of the most significant benefits of unity is its impact on our mental health. Loneliness and isolation have been linked to an array of mental health issues, including depression and anxiety. By building strong social connections, we create a support system that can help us navigate life's challenges and provide a sense of belonging and purpose. But unity doesn't only benefit our mental well-being. It also has a profound impact on our physical health. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections are more likely to live longer, healthier lives. From reducing the risk of heart disease to boosting our immune system, the power of unity extends far beyond what we may initially realize. So how can we cultivate unity in our lives? It starts with small acts of kindness and empathy. Taking the time to listen to someone, offering a helping hand, or simply being there for a friend in need can make all the difference. By practicing empathy and compassion, we create an environment where unity can flourish. But unity isn't just about individual actions. It also requires us to come together as a community. Whether it's through volunteering, participating in local events, or supporting causes we care about, we can make a tangible impact on the world around us. By uniting towards a common goal, we amplify our collective power and create lasting change. In conclusion, unity is not just a buzzword or an abstract concept. It's a fundamental aspect of our humanity that has the power to transform our lives and the world around us. By staying positive and healthy through unity, we can create a ripple effect of positivity, compassion, and well-being. So let's embrace the power of unity and make a difference, one connection at a time. Call to action. If you found this video insightful, I encourage you to engage with the content and share it with others. Together, we can spread the message of unity and create a world where positivity and health thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching.